Guess you won't be going to any dances in college. This is our last one. You know, Davis has a terrific theater, if you're still interested in theater, are you?
I'm probably no good at acting. Why don't I look like the girls in the magazines?
It's too bad I can't meet this Kyle before prom.
He's not my boyfriend anymore. I mean, maybe he never even was.
No, I'd still like to meet him.
It's too tight. Fuck.
Well, I suggested you not have that second helping of pasta.
Mom!
Honey, you seem upset about it, and I'm
You're
trying to help.
giving me an eating disorder. I wish I could get an eating disorder. I love it.
Is it too pink? What?
Why can't you say I look nice?
I thought you didn't even care what I think.
I still want you to think I look good.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was telling you the truth. You want me to lie?
No, I mean, I wish that you liked me.
Of course I love you.
But do you like me?
I want you to be the very best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version?